We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling midnight. You got the best of me.
Hello and welcome back to another video. This is Lulu, and today we're doing a different kind of video, but also quite exciting. So the story is, I purchased a few items on Black Friday last year and they just got delivered, so I just want to do an unboxing video with you guys. I'm quite excited to be looking at these items because I've been waiting for them for a little bit over almost 2 months, but something about the delayed gratification makes it seem like I'm getting these items for free. So I do recommend buying things, pay for that trip in advance, so that by the time you get to go on it, it feels kind of free. So I already opened one item because I was so excited. It is the Garmin watch. I hope you guys can see, but yeah, I already opened it. I'm very excited about this purchase because this is the year I get serious about my fitness and my health. So excited to get this watch. I hear Garmin is highly recommended, and I knew that I wanted a circular sports watch. I knew that I also didn't want Apple for some reason. I just didn't want to get an iOS device. So here it is. It's quite dainty. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but I'm quite happy with it because it fits into my wrist quite well. So I finished setting it up and just syncing it with my phone. I just need to charge it. So this is what it looks like. It looks really good. So tomorrow's Sunday, so I might go for a run just to test it out. Okay. So yeah, it's the watch. Yay! Let's get on to the next item. Ooh. I know what this is, but I'm just excited to look at it. Ooh, comes in a nice bag. It's a Cabo cycling helmet. Something happened to my other one, so I decided to get this one and also get a size bigger because sometimes I have big braids on and I can't put on the other helmet, which I got in a size small. I'm surprised this is a large actually. Let's try it on. Oh, she looks pretty. Okay, she looks pretty. Bicycle helmet owner's manual. We won't be looking at that. Let me just check the size. You know what? Let's just put it on. So I didn't cycle a lot last year, and that's about to change because it's a bit too tight. It doesn't feel like a large, or maybe I just have a big head. It kind of feels like a medium. Let's put this on. Okay. How do I look? Do I look like a speed racer? Okay. It's quite comfy. I like it. And I love the color. It's not white. It's like cream or beige. Okay. you later. Next item. I think these are my sunglasses. Oh, they come in a nice, cute little case. Oh, they look so pretty. So I got this not just for cycling, but also for my runs, because it's summer, y'all, so gotta protect those eyes and also from those flying animals. I hope I look good in these. Just let me know, okay? Let me know. You guys are my mirror, so let me know. Okay, they are polarized, so I guess that's a good thing. Oh, okay. You know what? Let's put on the helmet and the glasses just to see how it pairs well. And also shout out to my brother for getting these items for me, because I didn't think I'd be getting them now. Shout out to my brother. He's a real one. But also, when you get a chance, pray to God for a good big brother like mine. How do I look? I hope I look cute, guys. I feel like a serious athlete in these, so yeah, these are quite comfortable. Yeah. Okay. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh. Okay. And I think you should go. You as well. So Sophie Moda. Okay, Sophie. So it comes in this dainty thing as well. So yay! I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in here. It looks so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I'll probably wear these as well when I run tomorrow. I'll probably have to run just before church, so yeah. Okay. The next is professional bicycle lights, because one of the main reasons why I didn't cycle was because I couldn't cycle in winter. So what am I gonna do? I need a thing. One moment. Okay, I'm quite lazy to stand up, so let's just try to peel it off, because I'm quite lazy to stand up and get a knife. Okay, tore off part of its thingy. Okay, no problem. How do I open this? So these are lights for my bicycle. So I guess these purchases were mainly for my fitness. I think this is the back light and this is the front light. I like to kind of charge them, put them, like install them on my bike, and then see how it goes. So this is what it looks like. I think this would make quite a good gift as well. But yeah, okay. Instructions. Okay, I know what this is. Let's see if I can use it. Oh, this is torture. Okay. Yay. This is a cleaning brush for my espresso machine, which I haven't cleaned since I purchased it probably a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years now. But in my defense, I didn't know that you had to clean it, but my coffee started tasting bad. So I just got this thing just to kind of like get in there. But it also But I also got this espresso machine cleaning powder to go along with this, so it's a nice combo. I have to see how to use this thing. Place a heat teaspoon cleaning powder into the blind filter. Oh, okay, I think I know what that is. But yeah, this is cleaning powder, cleaning brush, so I can have good coffee. It's quite heavy. Okay, I think we're almost done. This is a cycling computer for my bike, because I figure if I commit to the sport by buying things that make the sport more interesting, I'll probably ease into cycling. So this is a cycling computer to just monitor speed, slope, I guess. Yeah. Let's open this. Oh, okay. Waterproof. Okay, I don't think I want to open it yet. I'll probably open it when I need to install it. So we're almost done. Just one more item. This is tempered glass for the Garmin Forerunner. So this is just, yeah, screen guard. I think that's the common name. Screen guard for this, because I read on the reviews that it's probably good to just buy the watch, get the screen guard as well to protect the screen. So thank you to everyone who leaves reviews. Those were really helpful in selection. I hope I'm gonna be able to do this thing. I don't even know how to use it. Okay, this is the screen guard. This is the class. I don't have a steady hand. I'm just gonna ask my brother to help me. Yeah. Maybe I'll go see him tonight, and then yeah, we can try to figure it out. But yeah, that's it. Those are the items. Really excited about them. Mostly excited about the watch, of course, and the glasses. Glasses seem really cool. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.